Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. If you have seen the last video, you know that I have moved out of my parents' house and shifted from Kolkata to Hyderabad, and I manifested my dream apartment. I mean, look at my background. In this video, I will show you guys the entire apartment and also share details like how I found it, what is the rent, and a lot more things. So make sure you watch till the end and let's get started. As soon as you enter, on the left we have the living area, which has this sofa and center table that was already there. Then we actually have this ugly corner जिसको हम काफ़ी टाइम से renovate करने का सोच रहे हैं, but we barely get time, and since we just stay in our rooms, ये kind of storage बन गया है for the parcels that we get. वो ugly सा जो bed है that was given by the owner, so we don't know what to do with it. And on this side there is another room which is occupied by another flatmate of mine. Now comes my favorite part of the apartment, which is the balcony, and look at the view. And I feel so calm and peaceful whenever I come out here and just look around. It's my room, by the way. You can see it from the balcony if the drapes are not shut. Then we have our modular kitchen with these bar chairs that was given by the owner. And we have rented the refrigerator. And right next to the kitchen is the utility area, जहाँ पे we have kept the washing machine, which is also on rent, and झाड़ू पोछा. अब लिविंग रूम के यहाँ पे लेफ्ट में मेरा रूम है एंड राइट में मेरा वॉशरूम है. So let's go. And this one is the master bedroom, which is occupied by my flatmate. ये वीडियो मैंने दिन में ली थी. So this is how my room looks.
So as you enter, on the left is the wardrobe.
Then I have kept this
then I've kept my laundry bag here. This lamp is also from IKEA. Here's the bed,
along with
the wardrobe bed, and the desk here was already there in the room.
I will give all the details about the things I bought for my
Got
room
this lamp from
in the next
IKEA.
video.
Here is the view from my room. This side is actually east, so I can see the sunrise here, and that side is west, so I can see the sunset. And this swamp here has so many birds. So you can see animals here and like birds. So here's how it is. I had white lights in my room and I hate it, so these lamps are basically my savior. And right across my room is my personal bathroom, which is actually in the common area. So it also has a motion light sensor, and it's quite spacious. So I found my apartment on Flat and Flatmates page on Facebook. मैंने लिटरली हर एक ग्रुप ज्वाइन कर लिया था फेसबुक पर, एंड हर रोज़ मैं स्क्रॉल करती रहती थी कि कुछ ना कुछ मिल जाए, एंड काफ़ी कुछ मिलता भी था, बट सिंस आई वाज इन कोलकाता मैं खुद जाकर देख नहीं पाती थी. सो आई हैव फ्रेंड्स हियर हु यूज्ड टू गो एंड चेक आउट द प्लेसेस फॉर मी. तो काफ़ी कुछ पसंद भी आया, बट ड्यू टू अ लॉट ऑफ रीजंस, कभी या तो स्टैंड अलोन बिल्डिंग में था, सोसाइटी में नहीं था, कुछ वाटर इशू जो भी, वो सबकी वजह से हो नहीं पाया, एंड दैट वेंट ऑन फॉर अराउंड 6 months. मतलब 6 महीने मैं कोलकाता से बैठकर फेसबुक पे ढूंढी जा रही हूँ हर रोज फ्लैट, लेकिन नहीं मिल रहा है. आई वॉज लिटरली रेडी टू सेटल फॉर अ शेयर्ड वॉशरूम अपार्टमेंट. मुझे इतनी जल्दी हो रही थी, मेरा पेशेंस खत्म हो गया था. आई वाज लाइक कि मैंने डेडलाइन खुद को दे के रखी थी कि अगस्त तक आई वांट टू मूव आउट, और तब तक हुआ नहीं था. आई वाज नॉट इवन क्लोज टू फाइंडिंग माई अपार्टमेंट. सो आई वाज सो इम्पेशेंट कि यार अभी तक नहीं मिला है, जो भी मिलता है जाती हूँ एक बार जाके वहाँ देख लूँगी. तो ऐसा हो गया. After a point of time, I realized that the reason why I'm not able to find the right place is because I'm chasing it so bad. Like I want it so bad and I'm pushing it away from me. So after a point, like after my 25th birthday, actually, I went on a trip, came back, and I was very chill कि ठीक है, जब होगा तब होगा, देखा जाएगा. I'm just enjoying the moment. I'm living my life here, and what if I find my flat the very next day and within a week I have to move out? So I was just trying to enjoy that time with my family and have mummy के हाथ का खाना, क्योंकि once I move out सब कुछ खुद ही करना पड़ेगा. And I was doing everything thinking as if I'm already living in my apartment. The same routines, trying to make my own food, cleaning, ये सब खुद ही सब कुछ कर रही थी, which also made me like embody that version of myself who was living alone. And within 30 days of doing that, I found the listing of this apartment. और देखते ही I was like, is this really in India? I mean, glass walls. I was so mind blown. I had seen that in a lot of YouTubers who live in like London or Dubai, but मुझे बिल्कुल भी expectation नहीं थी कि यहाँ पे मुझे मिलेगा. And then when I found this, it was under my budget, separate washroom. The room was already furnished, no restrictions, good chill flatmates. This view, like I did not even imagine in my wildest dreams that I would live in a place like this. Literally so grateful, and this is a sign to never settle for less. Now coming to the rent, पूरे apartment का rent is 48k and my share of rent is 15,000. Since the building, I mean the society is under construction, there is no maintenance. So which is a very good thing. The society actually doesn't have a lot of amenities. Gym bhi naam ka hi hai. And the area is a little far from the city, like it's still developing, because of which the rates are not that crazy right now. So when I moved in, before that I had paid a security deposit, which was for 2 months, and the rent plus a setup cost. तो पूरा मिला के मेरा approx 35k. And I traveled here in first class. If you have seen the last vlog, you know the whole story. The first month's total, along with the setup cost, rent, और जो भी मैंने सामान लिया for my house, for the kitchen, and coming here, getting my things here delivered through DTDC, वो सब मिला के excluding the groceries was approx 60,000, also including electricity and the rented appliances that we have. तो ये सब मिला के it was approx 60,000. So if you're planning to move out, make sure you have enough savings to cover the rent for 5-6 months. In fact, you should have savings which is like 3-4 times your salary, so that it makes the entire process a little more smooth and you don't have to worry about covering your expenses. Because when you are moving out, you really don't know, no matter how much you calculate, अगर ये तुम पहली बार कर रहे हो तो there will be expenses that you never even thought कि होंगे. In that regard, if you are financially independent and you don't really have anyone to rely on financially, make sure you have enough to sustain so that you're not constantly worried about your expenses. I have literally made this video in parts and I'm so disappointed in myself for not doing this sooner. I was so focused on Instagram, but no excuses. अब मैं थक चुकी हूँ Instagram से. So I'm back to YouTube and I will be consistent. Please hold me accountable, you guys. And बाकी सब details about myself, about how I live, I will be sharing more vlogs. And I'm very active on Instagram, so make sure you follow me there as well. All the links are in the description. Thank you for watching the video and I will see you in the next one.